Good morning, one and all present here today. We stand proud not just as citizens of India, but as a witness to our incredible journey. From the flames of struggle to the heights of space, from the handwritten letters to the digital revolutions, India has transformed, empowered, and awakened.
But what is New India? India once a dream in chains, now a vision in motion. Do we still feel that heartbeat of freedom? A day of great pride. Do the youth today understand the value of freedom? Is it just skyscrapers and satellites? Or is it the fearless soldiers, the empowered women, the techno-savvy youth, and the farmers with Wi-Fi? Today's skit, सपनों का भारत, New India, Empowered India, takes you on a journey through India's soul, past, present, and future. So sit back, open your hearts, and witness the India that was dreamed and the India that is rising.
Good morning, Granny. Good morning. It's Independence Day tomorrow. Just another holiday. No school, no studies. That's all.
Oof, it's 15 August again. Granny, why do we even celebrate this? Parade, speeches, songs, that's all.
Dear children, it's not a holiday. It's a national festival. We celebrate in memory of those who sacrificed their lives so that we can breathe fresh air.
Seriously, Granny, this is so boring.
That's not correct attitude. Dear, don't forget the one who is ignorant of the value of freedom loses it. The India of today is empowered and is progressing leaps and bounds in every sector. But what's really changed, Granny? Traffic, pollution, scams, frauds. We just talk and talk. Let me show you a story. Close your eyes.
This is a land where I smile and embrace the gallows. Inqilab Zindabad.
Are you Bhagat Singh?
Yes, I was just 23 when I was young, so that you can breathe freely. I did not die. I became the voice of every young Indian with fire in his heart. Revolution is not just a word, it's a duty. Inqilab Zindabad. But with the fire of freedom in my heart.
I read about you, but seeing you, it's different.
Freedom is not just a chapter in your textbook, but it's the flame that must rise in every Indian's heart. Even in death, I carried the pride of Bharat in my blood.
But we still struggle, right?
Freedom is never given. It is taken with courage and sacrifice. तुम मुझे खून दो, मैं तुम्हें आज़ादी दूंगा. I raised an army not just to fight, but to ignite the soul of India. We didn't beg for freedom, we marched for it.
I never thought about you and your passion to get the freedom.
Today, I ask you, are you ready to defend your nation? Not with swords, but with discipline, unity, and action.
Salam, salam, harsh chadh kar vidwan, kalam, kalam, salam, salam.
When the roots are deep, there is no reason to fear the wind. India's roots are ancient, but its dreams are limitless.
Sir, can India truly lead the world?
We already are, from Chandrayaan to startups, from ISRO to AI, from village girl coders to world leaders. We are not walking behind, rather, we are ahead of time. Youth of India, don't just light your phone screens, light the minds, light the villages, light the future.
Granny, I saw it. Bhagat Singh, Rani Lakshmibai, Subhash Chandra Bose, they gave everything for our country.
Dear child, look around. Maybe you are not able to see, but India is changing. Come, let me tell you about New India now.
मैं वो भारत हूँ जो केवल फल नहीं, ड्रोन और डेटा से खेत जोतता हूँ और अब किसान मजबूर नहीं, मजबूत है.
You use drones?
Yes, my friend. Now the villages are becoming independent with the faster internet and Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi reaches field, hope, bloom like harvest.
I fought in Kargil. I am Captain Vikram Batra. High up the mountains where every bullet carried the hope of billion hearts. We waited for the order. We faced the enemies head on. We were ready to give our life just to take back what was ours. We are the sons of Bharat Mata from Kargil to Uri. Our mission has been changed, but our love, loyalty and courage remains the same. Jai Hind.
I, Colonel Sofia Qureshi, was the first woman to lead an all-men contingent in Indian Army in international military exercise. I stand not just for women in uniform, but just for every Indian who dares to lead. New India doesn't just empower its women, it salutes them.
I, Wing Commander Yomika Singh, have soared high above the clouds, defending our skies with pride. In the cockpit, there's no man or woman. There's only an Indian in the service of nation. In the new India, our daughters don't just touch the sky, they own it. We, the Sindoor Operation leaders, are proud that we are serving and leading our nation. Jai Hind!
I'm a mother and a manager too. I run my home, lead at work and carry the load of both. Yes, I get tired sometimes, but I'm not afraid. I manage my kitchen like a CEO and my office like a queen. And today I walk the streets without fear because New India respects its daughters. This is New India where a woman doesn't just survive, she leads the world. I'm not just empowered, I'm India's rising strength.
Granny, I saw it. I felt it. India is not waiting anymore. It's rising.
Yes, Granny. Now I will not complain. I will face the problem and become the solution for my India.
Let us stand proud and united and take a pledge for an empowered India.
We